Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect PayPal to WooCommerce for conversion-friendly payments. Quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. To connect PayPal to WooCommerce, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section on the left menu. Click on Add New to find a new plugin. In the search bar, type WooCommerce PayPal Payments. Once activated, go to the WooCommerce section in the left menu. Select Settings from the drop-down options. In the Settings menu, click on the Payments tab. Here, you'll see various payment methods. Find PayPal on the list and click the toggle switch to enable it. Next, click on the Setup link next to PayPal. You will be directed to the PayPal Setup page. Enter your PayPal email address in the provided field. Choose the payment action you want, such as sale or authorization. For additional settings, adjust options like payment button style and order completions. Next, scroll down and click Save Changes to apply your settings. To ensure your setup is correct, conduct a test transaction. Visit your WooCommerce store and add a product to your cart. Proceed to checkout and select PayPal as your payment option. Complete the payment process using your PayPal account to confirm everything is functioning properly. If successful, you're ready to start accepting payments through PayPal in your WooCommerce store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.